Hey, I have been testing 5 different mascaras and today I'm going to share my honest experience with each one. I'll tell you how they look, how they last, and whether they are really worth the hype. So let's get started. Number one is 7D Fiber Mascara. Okay, this mascara is a game changer. If you love bold lashes, the 7D Fiber Mascara instantly made my lashes look long, full, and curled, almost like false lashes, but without the glue. It's waterproof, sweatproof, and anti-smudge, so I wore it all day without worrying about wrecking eyes. The only thing is, since it's so strong, you need a good remover to take it off. But honestly, the dramatic effect is worth it. Perfect for wedding parties or any special occasion. Okay, number two is 4D Black Mascara. Next is the 4D Black Mascara, and this one surprised me. For the price, it's actually really good. It makes lashes thicker, longer, and nicely curled, but still feels light enough for daily wear. I like that it's waterproof and doesn't smudge, even on a humid day. If you are looking for something adorable but reliable for everyday use, this is definitely a great pick. It's not super dramatic like the 7D, but perfect for office, college, or casual makeup looks. Number 3 is 5D Extreme Volume Mascara. So this is all about volume. The 5D Extreme Volume Mascara made my lashes look super thick and bold, like I was wearing extensions. It also waterproof and long lasting, so my lashes stayed in the place the whole day. The only thing to keep in mind is that it's a bit heavier than the others, so don't apply too many coats or it might clump. But if you love dramatic, show-stopping lashes, this one is definitely for you. Okay, the number 4, 3D Waterproof Curling Mascara. This one is more on the natural side. The 3D Waterproof Curling Mascara gave my lashes a nice lift and curl that lasted the whole day. I like how it gave me a clean, soft look without being too heavy or clumpy. It's waterproof, so it stayed in place, but it still felt light on the lashes. I think this one is best if you are someone who likes a natural, everyday style but still wants their lashes to look defined and curled. Last but not least, the 4D Brilliant Starry Sky Mascara. And let me tell you, the packaging alone made me excited to try it. It's so pretty, but the formula is really good too. It gives me a mix of length, curl, and volume, all in one. It's a waterproof, long lasting, and didn't smudge even after hours. I love that it feels like high end mascara but at a budget price. This one is great. So, if you want bold drama, go for the 7D or 5D. For a natural look, the 3D is perfect. For everyday wear, the 4D black is amazing. And if you want a mixed performance plus beautiful packaging, the Starry Sky Mascara is must have. Honestly, I had fun trying all of these, and each one has its own vibe depending on what you like. Which one do you think matches your style? If you want to buy it, the link is in my description. You can buy from there. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.